You started researching and developing these best practices, like you said, you started around 25 years ago. Tell us how you went about actually developing some of these methodologies.
Well, the first step was simply observing what I saw in my own practices. I describe this, use this term information masters. And I'm sure you can know some people who are masters of information. They always know what's going on. They're on top of the information. And, without boasting, I'm probably pretty good at it myself. So part of it is observing my own practices. But again, working in a world of, global capital markets and financial markets, and as well also in professional services with many of my clients, so lawyers, accountants, management consultants, so on. I could observe. I could see the people around me, see the ones that were better at them, see what they did, ask what they did, and to discover from that. So it was both a practice of observing my own practice and bringing those to light, saying, okay, what is it that I'm actually doing? What is it that my colleagues that I see are extraordinary at this? What are they doing? And to build those into this structure and practice so that I could continue to improve, to experiment, to build on that over time. And of course, the role of the futurist is absolutely making sense of the world, seeing from all of the possible information, or everything that we can see in the world around us, this synthesis, this pulling together, the scene of the whole that enables us to see better in the future. So again, not just for myself and my own practice as a futurist, but my many colleagues that I know around the world in that world, to be able to distill, to observe, to bring to light the practices that are the most effective in dealing effectively with unlimited information.
Can you give us some examples of people that we might know in the real world who you might consider masters of information?
Well, I'd say a pretty fair starting point is to look at anybody that's extremely successful, and they are very likely to be very good at that. And the obvious examples spring to mind: your Elon Musk's, or Warren Buffett's, or any other investors or venture capitalists, as Fred Wilson or Jason Calacanis, or any investors, anybody that is in fast-moving industries, in investment, in fast-moving industries, by their nature, has to be extraordinary at this.